What's up techies, this is Akhil, your virtual instructor. If you've not watched my previous video, I will highly encourage you to do that. The question is, do we really need to install the Visual Studio licensed version? Answer is no. You can install Visual Studio Community Edition from this Microsoft official site. You can visit this site. I will include this URL in my description. You can follow the steps. So latest edition of the Visual Studio is 2019. You can download this as well. If you want to download the earlier version, the older version, you can simply click here on the Visual Studio 2017. I can keep downloading. The steps are you just need to click on the download button. It will just install one exe file. So once you click on that exe file, it will ask you whether you want to install the software while downloading or you want to continue downloading it and then install it later. So guys, coming back to the today's interview question. So question is, what are different operators in C Sharp? So there are several operators. One is assignment operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, conditional operator, and ternary operator. Talking about assignment operator, whenever you try to assign some value to a variable, that is your assignment operator. An arithmetic operator is whenever you try to do kind of arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division, or modulus. So guys, while you would have started learning C, C++, Python, etc. or any other programming language, you would have come across these operators. So I won't be spending much time into this. So as part of the interview question, I just wanted to cover this as well. Coming back to the third operator, which is your comparison operator. So whenever you want to compare two variables, in that case we use comparison operator. So we use double equal to. If I use single equal to, that will be kind of your assigning something. That will be your assignment operator. Double equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to. So if you can see here, I just try to compare first number with the second number. So if this condition satisfies, so my control will get inside this block. Talking about third operator, which is conditional operator. So conditional operators are used when you want to combine two comparison operators. So if you want to compare or and. So in this scenario, I'm just trying to compare first number with the second number, and first number is a double equal to third number. So I'm using ampersand. So ampersand ensures that I'm trying to compare two comparison operators and both has to return true. So this block should return true and this block as well should return true. Then only my condition, then only my code will come under this block. So this is your conditional operator. So third operator is ternary operator. This is as good as your if else condition. If first condition is true, get into this one, otherwise go to the else block. So here, so this is just the shorthand of your if else block. Here I'm just trying to compare if first number is equal to second number, then return equal or return not equal. So guys, just to summarize, there are 5 different types of operators. So first one is your assignment operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, conditional operator, ternary operator. Thanks for watching this video. In the next session, I'll be covering what are different decision making statements. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that when I create a new video, you get notified.